Most people moving to the Netherlands assume any payment app will work everywhere without issues. That assumption can cost you money fast. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is using only one random wallet without understanding what is actually accepted in daily Dutch life. Here's the truth no one tells you. In the Netherlands, the right digital wallets can save you fees, speed up payments, and even give you rewards in 2026. Quick promise. In this video, you will learn the 10 best digital wallets in the Netherlands, how they are used in real life, and which ones help you avoid unnecessary costs while making everyday payments smooth and fast. Let's start with the basics. A digital wallet lets you pay using your phone instead of cash or cards. In the Netherlands, this is already part of daily life in cities like Amsterdam, Rotterdam, and Utrecht. But here's the problem. Not every wallet works the same way, and not every shop accepts every system. Now here is where it gets interesting. The Netherlands is heavily card-based and QR-based, so many wallets act as layers on top of your bank account rather than standalone systems. First is Ideal. This is the most important payment system in the Netherlands. It is not a wallet itself, but it powers almost all online payments and bank transfers. If you live here like someone named Lisa or Tom, you will use Ideal constantly for shopping and bills. Next is Apple Pay. It is widely accepted in stores, supermarkets, and public transport. It is fast, secure, and works well with Dutch banks like ING and ABN AMRO. Google Pay is also growing in usage, especially for Android users. It works smoothly when linked to supported debit or credit cards. Now, let's talk about Revolut. This is a favorite among expats and travelers. It offers real exchange rates, low international fees, and budgeting tools. For someone like Alex moving from the US, this can save a lot of money on currency conversion. Wise is another powerful option. It is especially strong for sending money internationally or holding multiple currencies with transparent fees. ING Mobile App is one of the most widely used banking apps in the Netherlands. It includes payment features, instant transfers, and budgeting tools all in one place. ABN AMRO app is another major banking wallet. It is highly trusted and widely used for daily payments and business transactions. Rabo app from Rabobank is also very popular, especially in rural areas and among families. It is reliable and deeply integrated into Dutch banking. PayPal is mostly used for online shopping and international transactions. It is less common in physical stores but still useful for global purchases. Samsung Wallet is available for Android users and works similarly to Apple Pay, depending on bank support. In a minute, here is what really matters. In the Netherlands, your bank app is often your main wallet. Apple Pay, or Google Pay, acts as a convenience layer, while Wise and Revolut handle international money movement. To summarize, the Netherlands' digital payment system is built around Ideal, strong banking apps, and global wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Wise, and Revolut. Each one plays a different role depending on how you spend and send money. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment where you are watching from, and subscribe for more simple, clear, and practical finance guides.